Hello teachers, good morning to everyone. Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about module 6 portfolio. First of all, you wrote your name, school name, ID number and mandal also. Sixth portfolio is art integrated learning portfolio activity. Plan an art integrated learning session on the subject and learning outcomes of your choice. This is your portfolio. Here they give some checklist also for the portfolio. These are the checklist. First of all, you take subject or concept and class for the all activity. Have you selected learning outcomes for your all activity? Art activity for organizing art experience. Worksheet for checking the progress and linking art experience with the subject. These are the checklist for portfolio activity. Okay, next go through the introduction. Friends, mainly art education is a tool. It acts as assessment tool also. It gives wonderful experience to the children to learn their subject. Primarily, the term art is referred to aesthetic expression of ideas, feelings and human experience. Teacher can use it for enriching the classroom conditions by using them for teaching. Classrooms are more lovely and people enjoy learning process if some arts are used in teaching. My dear teachers, I am taking subject English, class 2nd class, topic preposition in on at. I want to introduce prepositions as a rhyme based. It is integrated art education. Learning outcomes. People will be able to use meaningful sentences in English. Students will be able to write words and pronounce properly. People will be able to use a variety of preposition. Recite the poem proper pronunciation and intonation. People will able to frame small sentences also. Friends, here is some more examples to integrate our classes. In 2nd class children, you want to write alphabets within art integrated. We use flowers to set as alphabets and also we use beads and also seeds also. అంటే ఏంటి చెప్తానంటే మనం క్లాస్ రూమ్ని అట్రాక్టివ్గా ఎంకరేజింగ్గా చెప్పొచ్చు. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఆల్ఫాబెట్సే నేర్పాలనుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, ఫ్లవర్స్ తీసుకోండి, ఫ్లవర్స్ తీసుకొని వాళ్ళకు తెలిసిన విధంగా ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ని సెట్ చేసి చూపమని చెప్పండి. రకరకాల సైజుల్లో రకరకాల ఆకారాల్లో చేస్తారు. అప్పుడు అందులో పిల్లవాడు అనేది సృజనాత్మకంగా పెద్దగా చేశాడా, చిన్నగా చేశాడా, ఏ బి ఒకే రకంగా రాశారా లేదా బీడి ఒకే రకంగా చేశారా. పీర్ గ్రూప్ లో కూడా డిస్కషన్ అనేది జరుగుతుంది. ఎవరు ఏ ప్రాపర్ గా ఉంది, ఎవరు తప్పుగా రాశారు, ఎలా పెట్టాలి అనేది పిల్లల్లో కలుగుతుంది. ఒక ఉత్సాహంగా నేర్చుకోవడానికి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. ఫ్లవర్స్ తో చేయించవచ్చు లేదా గింజలు ఉపయోగించవచ్చు, లేకపోతే మట్టితో కూడా ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ ఆకారంలో వేయించడం లేదా గింజలు ఉపయోగించి రకరకాల కలర్స్ తో రకరకాల షేప్స్ తో చేయడం ద్వారా కూడా మన ఆర్ట్ అనేది క్లాస్ లో ఇంటిగ్రేట్ అనేది చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ ప్రిపోజిషన్స్ నేర్పడానికి ఒక రైమ్ ని తీసుకోవడం అనేది జరిగింది. ఓకే, అది ఎలా అని చెప్తాను. There was a tree. Tree was in the valley. Tree was in the valley at the green grass grows. All around, all around, all around. Hippie hi, 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 hippie hi, hi, hi. Hippie hi, 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 hippie hi, hi, hi. There was a branch. Branch was on the tree. Tree was in the valley. Tree was in the valley at the green grass grows. All around, all around, all around. All around, all around, all around. Hippie hi, 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 hippie hi, hi, hi. There was a nest. Nest was on the branch. Branch was on the tree. Tree was in the valley. Tree was in the valley at the green grass grows. All around, all around, all around. Hippie hi, 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 hippie hi, hi, hi. There was a bird. Bird was in the nest. Nest was on the branch. Branch was on the tree. Tree was in the valley at the green grass grows. All around, all around, all around. All around, all around, all around. Hippie hi, 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 hippie hi, hi, hi. ఈ విధంగా రైమ్ చెప్పడం వల్ల పిల్లలకు తెలియకుండానే విత్ ప్రాపర్ యాక్షన్ దే లెర్న్ ప్రాపర్ ఇంటోనేషన్స్ prepositions also. In the same manner, we use flower and fruit and squirrel, etc. etc. They prolong rhyme also. Now, we are going to assess the worksheet. Recite the rhyme with proper intonation. What preposition are you find in the rhyme? Children, extend this rhyme using fruit, flower, squirrel, etc. Where was the tree? Where was the bird live? Where we see nest generally. So linking art experience with the subject and other subject. Student can learn prepositions and sentences in the English language. Student apply this knowledge in environmental studies. They recall this knowledge in animal shelter lesson and parts of a plant lesson. In languages, student write uses of plant in mother language. సో ఆ విధంగా పిల్లలు ఇప్పుడు ఈ నేర్చినటువంటి ఈ నాలెడ్జ్ అనేది లాంగ్వేజెస్లోను అదేవిధంగా సైన్స్ సోషల్ స్టడీస్లోను ఎక్కడ అవసరమైతే ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్లోను అప్లై చేసుకోవడానికి చాలా సులభంగా ఉంటుంది. కన్క్లూజన్. ఆర్ట్ కెన్ బ్రింగ్ ఇమాజినేషన్ టు లైఫ్ అండ్ గివ్ లైఫ్ టు ఇమాజినేషన్. ది హోల్ హ్యూమన్ హిస్టరీ దట్ we know today has been conveyed to us through various art forms such as literature, music, visual arts, dance and drama. Friends, we all know the best teachers teach from the heart, not from the book. Thus, we integrated art education in various fields, various topics. You teach your children in art education way. The children can learn enjoyably. The art education is integrated in curriculum activities. Because of art education develops cognitive, psychomotor and domestic domains also. Thank you friends. Take care yourself. Stay home. Stay safe.